All right, so can you tell us your name, your organization, and your role at your organization?
Yes, my name is Keely Daly. I work for Boston Scientific, and I'm a therapy consultant for the Deep Brain Stimulation Division.
Great. So, what's your biggest accomplishment that you've contributed to Boston Scientific?
Previous to my time with Boston Scientific, I worked for a company that also made a deep brain stimulation product. So I worked for them for nearly 10 years. So I would say what I've brought to this organization is my years of experience, the relationships that I formed with the physicians that I work with, and just a great understanding. So having that knowledge, that background, and the trust from the physicians has helped me get the business started with Boston Scientific.
That's awesome. So, what does a typical day look like at your job?
It varies greatly. Some days I'm at my computer working just on planning, some administrative functions, but the majority of my job is spent educating physicians, neurologists in particular, on how to use our system once it's been implanted in a patient. I also spend time in the operating room supporting our products and making sure that they're used in the way that they were intended to be used. And I do a lot with patient education. So many times I'm organizing events for patients to learn about deep brain stimulation as a therapy and also understand what the Boston Scientific deep brain stimulation system can do for them.
That's really awesome. So, can you please describe your personality and soft skills?
So my personality is, I'm fairly competitive, but I'm also very empathetic to the Parkinson's community. I've worked with that population for nearly 15 years, and my intention is always to put the patient's best interest at heart, and I think it's one of the reasons that physicians appreciate working with me. It's really just a big part of why I feel like I'm successful in this business.
That's great. Can you please describe some skills and leadership styles that you bring to team projects?
So I'm a team of one right now, but my desire to see my teammates across the country do well and making myself available to help support them when they're needing that is probably the biggest part of being a team player at this point. We're in what we call a launch year, so our products are new to the market, and so everyone is sort of working without a large team, so our team is across the country. So just my availability to help support is probably the biggest part right now.
Well, thank you very much.